A controversial video surfaced of one of the lead defendants among the 77 Nigerians recently indicted by the FBI for internet fraud. 31-year-old Valentine Iro, aka Iro Enterprises, aka Valentine Iro, aka Iro, aka Obina Nasa, is seen in this video with family and friends celebrating lavishly at his baby shower.
We're going to take a group picture after the music. We're going to take a group picture after the music. Please don't move. Don't go away. Let me group picture. Oh, Habrozo, Chinozo, not the lay. Here, I'm going to Divide to the mayor. Plug it too much. We need your vacuum, but vacuum money. It's too much. Plug it. What's wrong? I'm at the White House.
The American government is suing for conspiracy to commit fraud, conspiracy to launder money, operating illegal money transmitting businesses, and aggravated identity theft. Valentine Iro, who was allegedly a broker of fraudulent bank accounts, faces additional charges for attempting to destroy his phone when the FBI executed a search warrant at his residence in Carson, California, and lying to the FBI in an interview conducted during the search. Iro's extravagant lifestyle has come to a screeching halt as he is currently in FBI custody, having been arrested alongside 13 others on the 22nd of August 2019. The Nigerian government declared that it would extradite the Nigerians accused who are at large. Chairperson Nigerian Diaspora Commission Abike Dabiri urged the accused to voluntarily return themselves to the United States authorities.